Hello people, well today um I'm going to give another sexy burp for you guys. So because my last burping video with edited, can you guess how many views I got in something hours? But I got about 40 something views on my last birthday video, and I only done that couple of this this morning, early hours of this morning, and my other my most popular one, it got 50. So I will give you another sexy bath for you guys. So yeah, got some pop. So yeah, I'll drink it. Finish. So people will see my views. They'll see my videos. Anyway, I hope you like this burping video. I know it was a bit crap, but yeah, I will see you next time. Bye.